Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw black from Rainbow Friends. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw eyebrows. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw chin. Draw chin. Draw mouth. Draw chin. Draw eyes. Draw horns on the head. Draw teeth. Draw tongue. Draw a U shape for the body. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw toes. Draw toes. Draw hand. Draw claws. Draw hand. Draw claws. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.